Well, hello there. You're coming to say hi?
Look at that tail go.
Hey, buddy. Soft as a cloud, huh? Oh, you picked me. Hi, sweet boy.
There he is.
Hi. Oh.
Hi, buddy. Hey there. Oh, you're picking me? Yeah? Oh my gosh. Congratulations.
Take your pick, little guy.
Hi there, short stuff.
All right, there.
He knows what he wants.
Oh, look at you.
Whoa! You are huge! I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Check me out.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you coming to me?
Looks like you got the nod.
Hey there, buddy.
That tail's working overtime.
Oh my god. Sweetheart, it's you.
Hi there. Hi, sweet boy. Hi. Oh my gosh. You're kissing me.
Oh, here he comes.
Hi, buddy. Oh my god. Hi.
Oh.
Okay, come on.
Hi, sweet boy. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Hi, sweet boy.
She's making her way down.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, girl.
Hey.
Oh, hi.
Oh my gosh. Aw, that's so sweet.
Hey there, sweetheart. Here you go. Oh, hi, buddy. That's so sweet. Hey there. Yeah.
He's coming back around.
Oh, wow. Hey, buddy. Oh, my God. Look at that. Hi, sweetheart.
And these are all my buddies here at the shelter. Today you get the chance to pick out a new best friend. It's December 22nd, 2025, and the room is full of love, tales, and hope.
Here he comes.
Oh, sweetheart.
Lean right into people, super gentle.
Hi, buddy. Oh, you're sweet.
Look at that tail go.
If anyone wants to take a quick walk outside, just let us know and we'll get you set with a leash.
Right at you, huh?
Oh, buddy. Wow. I can't believe that.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
Your person right there.
Hi, sweet boy.
Hi there, me again. Oh my gosh.
He picked you.
Hi, sweet boy.
Hi, buddy.
He's making the rounds.
Look at that tail. Gonna go. She picked you, man. Yeah!
Hi, sweetie. Are you picking me?
Yeah. That hurt.